Great, I finally get to wash. Even though my dolly is too big, it doesn't fit the bottom right. And now this. It's not supposed to make this noise. Great. So it's a beautiful thunderstorm. I wasn't able to fit the washing machine on the dolly, so that was a little frustrating. I'm over it. I washed my first load of clothes and it doesn't drain water. There's just a bunch of clicking. So of course I try to contact Crib Bling in wherever they are, China, Japan, whatever. I leave 5 emails, and then I notice on their site there's a YouTube video saying go to Samsung. Samsung, of course, sells appliances, just not mine. So I don't know why Crib Bling would put that on their website, but it's a little frustrating, you know. The only contact is, unless I'm going to call China, Japan, wherever it is to email. So I guess if I don't hear anything back and nobody's coming out, since I got a 5-year warranty, I gotta find something else to do. So heads up, when you buy Crib Bling, I mean, there's a video there telling me how to do it. I'm not gonna be open up that washing machine, and if something else goes wrong, then they're not gonna fix it and honor my 5-year warranty. So I don't know. We'll see. So I finally deal with all of that. Now I'll wait till tomorrow to scoop all that water out of the washing machine and finish hand washing my clothes. And then I come to bed and look what I find. This bitch got mad for whatever reason and just decided to pee in my bed. Yeah, you know, she won't be sleeping in the bed anymore, right? No. She can sleep in the bathroom. I'm not going to ask what's next, because life is too good to be setting myself up for failure.